Today we are going to look at rounding more difficult numbers to the nearest hundred. As we recall, rounding to the nearest hundred means changing a number to numbers like 100, 200, 300, and so on. Let's work through the first example together. Round 2,350 to the nearest hundred. Look at the number line. We can see that 2,350 sits between 2,300 and 2,400. We can also see that 2,350 sits exactly in the middle of 2,300 and 2,400. When rounding to the nearest hundred, if the number sits exactly in the middle of the numbers above and below it, rounded to the nearest hundred, we always round up. This means that 2,350 rounded to the nearest hundred is 2,400. Let's have a look at the second example. Round 5,990 to the nearest hundred. We can see that 5,990 sits between 5,900 and 6,000. Since 5,990 is closer to 6,000, we round up to 6,000. We can see that the thousands digit changed from a 5 to a 6. This is because when we round 990 to the nearest hundred, we get 1,000. This means the thousands place value increases by 1, and the hundreds, tens, and ones place value get replaced with zeros. So, 5,990 rounded to the nearest hundred is 6,000. Now it's your turn.